So I'm outside. I can't, for some unknown reason, it won't let me have my light on. Can you hear it? Okay, I seem to be further away now as I go up the front gates. So I'm going to go out onto the field. I could have gone the short way, but I'm going the long way because I thought it was up here. It's just after 5 a.m. on Wednesday morning. It's actually raining. My dog's freaked out because I left. Is that weird? I can't hear it. Oh shit, almost tripped a massive fucking piece of concrete that I just tripped over. So why did it stop? It is closer to my house than I thought. Okay. Back up the footpath. I really thought it was coming from this way. Seems to be coming from the opposite direction. Oh God. Walking around in my pyjamas, it's okay. It's bin day 2. So I'm going to hear it louder up here again. It's quite windy. Okay, I could hear it now, I can't again. Okay. What's your thoughts, guys? I thought a dying duck, but it was too uniform. See, it sounds like it's coming from next door's house, but when I went to the other side of their house, I couldn't hear it. Anyway, what do you think? Bye.